Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is all about how to comb or detangle your hair the proper way, and the technique I'm about to teach you all has been working for me for years, helped me retain a lot of length, and also tell you guys the right tools to use to detangle your hair. So click the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up, and please watch to the end to get the proper information you need. So I'll be starting off by displaying the combs I own. These are not all, but these are the ones I can find. So these little combs, these small combs, they are not for combing hair. They can only lead to breakage, so please stop using them. While these ones are good for combing your hair, they help to detangle the hair properly. The two brown combs are wide tooth. They have wide tooth and they are very good in detangling your hair properly. This can comb the hair, but I don't advise to use it because it can lead to breakage. While this, like I said before, these two are the best for combing your hair. Use a wide tooth comb, please. Never use comb that is small or comb, or even I see people using brush to comb their hair. It's not good. While this one is obviously for cutting the hair or parting your hair as well. So over here you divide your hair into sections like I did. I think it was up to 6 or 8 sections. I'm not so sure, but it was roughly 8 sections. So I'll sprinkle water on it. I use lukewarm water. Don't use cold water, please. Just use lukewarm water. It's much better to manage, and never comb your hair dry. Never ever. Please sprinkle water on your hair. After sprinkling the water around my hair, I make sure it's well coated. I run my hand around the hair to make sure the hair is saturated with water. Not like I make it to be extremely damp. No, as you can see, it's not so damp. It's just in between. It's not dry, neither is it so damp. So number one is to make sure your hair you sprinkle water on it. Never comb your hair dry, like I said earlier. Then you run your fingers around it. So the next thing I did was to use the herbal infused moisturizing and conditioning hair butter. This was formulated by me, so it has a lot of sleep, and since I'm going to put my hair in a protective style, this also helped me a lot to just moisturize my hair at once and move on to the protective style. But if you just want to comb your hair, detangle your hair, it's also good. Use a product that has sleep, a lot of sleep. You can use an oil or conditioner. Step number 4 is to use a wide tooth comb. Like I said earlier, wide tooth combs help a lot in minimizing breakage. Please never ever use a tiny combs that have small tooth, small mouths, or use brush for weave ones. Use brush for hair. Some people actually use their finger to comb their hair, but someone like me, I feel like it wastes a lot of time. So I prefer to use a wide tooth comb. So you start from the tip of your hair like you saw me doing earlier. Then you go up to the root of your hair. Don't start from the root of your hair, start from the tip of your hair. Step number 5 is to twist the part I already detangled so that I will move on to the next part of the hair. So this part is not much of a big deal. Just twist it up so that it will not distract you or get in the way of you handling the rest of your hair. And that is it. It's very simple. Just follow these steps and it minimizes a lot of hair breakage. You don't really need to do all this stuff with buy expensive products all in the name of minimizing breakage. So please follow these steps and your hair will flourish. Then, like I said, I move on to the rest of my hair. I already sprinkled the water like you saw earlier. Put the moisturizer or the conditioner on my hair. Then I start combing from the tip, please, From the tip of my hair, I also do a finger detangling. Then when I'm done with the whole thing, I will twist the hair and move to the next section of my head. Don't rush it. That's another thing I have to mention. Please take your time when detangling your hair. Our hair is very fragile to manage or to manipulate compared to that of the white people. We blacks, we have coily or kinky hair texture, so we have to be very patient when detangling our hair because our hair has a lot of coil. That's why I sprinkle water on my hair. Never ever comb your hair when it's dry. It's just like using indomie or spaghetti. When you open the pack, you can easily break it because obviously it's dry. The indomie is dry. It's much easier for you to break it. But when you put it inside water, you notice that it's not so easy to break it like other than when it was dry. The same thing with our hair. When you comb your hair dry, it will break so much. But when you sprinkle a little bit of water on it and put either an oil, moisturizer, conditioner, any slippery product on it, it helps to minimize breakage a lot, 1,000 times. So please be very patient when detangling your hair. Apart from putting all these things, even though you are rushing when combing it, when detangling it, you won't see any length. Like, you'll be saying your hair is not growing, but the truth is that your hair is growing. You are not just patient enough to handle your hair the way you should. So like I said, be patient. Please do the right thing to your hair and your hair will thank you a lot for it. So over here I decided to add other clips that I also did for my Instagram and TikTok. Like I said, this is another day. I don't remember when this video took place, the month, but like I said, this technique I have been using it. I sprinkle water, put conditioner or oil, then I comb. I have never combed my hair dry. This is something that you all have to understand. Never comb your hair dry because it will break. This technique have helped to retain a lot of length for me. People say it's all about genetics. It's not genetics. Genetic help in growing your hair faster than other people, but then it doesn't help you to retain length. Next video coming up is how I grow my hair a mini twist and retain a lot of length. So subscribe so that you won't miss it.